don't stop, can't make a complaint. Say you don't stop, mash up me brain.
Guys, what's up? Today I'm here with ISEE here. It's been a minute. This is a box. It's different from what I usually get, but yeah. So yeah, let's see. I have their social media listed on the inside and everything. Then we see I have the wig here. I also got a pair of lashes. Ooh, extra elastic band, really long. Information card. Yep. And I got wig caps. So that's everything that came in the box. For today's wig, I have a 26-inch kinky curly. So yeah, you might be like, 26-inch looks so short, but yeah, it's because it's kinky curly hair. So it's really tightly coiled. You know, have that nice natural look. It's 180% in density, and it's a 13x4 lace front wig. As you can see, this is not pre-bleached or anything, so you could definitely go in and do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some, like, you know, foundation or powder to tint the inside. It has 4 combs in total on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. Standard cap construction. It is pre-plucked a bit, you know, it is pre-plucked a bit, so that you could definitely go in and pluck it more. Yeah, it's very nice and full, and as I said, this is 26-inch. So yeah, if you're looking for that nice fluffy curly texture, this is your wig. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into installing this.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
What I love about this so far is that the lace was extremely easy to work with. Like, it's thin, you know, it's very thin, so it was very easy to melt down. So I love that.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't focus.
little glam, nothing too serious. But guys, I'm not gonna lie, I love the lace. I know I mentioned it earlier on, but it really melted so effortlessly. I feel like you don't even have to go too heavy with the tinting, because it's like the lace is very much like near to undetectable. So like it really blended in so nicely. So I love that about it. The hair now, it's very full. I know for some people, you see I'm raking my fingers through because I want you guys to see this fluffed. I know that a lot of you love the big hair look, and I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's cute. You know, looking at this reminds me of my sister's hair, because her hair is like just as big like this when it's all out. So you see that? That is really nice. That is a vibe. That is a vibe. So that's how that looks. But you guys know I'm gonna do already now. But just do this for all the people who love this big look. It's really cute. Oh, I'm getting minimal shedding, by the way. So you know, minimal shedding. I did cut a piece, you know, the ear portion, so that can increase some of the shedding. Be mindful of that as well, like how you cut the lace whenever you're going to apply a wig, because you don't want to, you know, increase shedding too much, so that can contribute to shedding. So yeah, it feels nice and full, but it's not heavy. You know, sometimes with some curly hair it feels heavy, especially when it's full. It doesn't feel heavy. When you wet it up, it's natural for it to get a little wet because it's wet, you know, but in its dry state right now, it's really light. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it damp, and then I'm gonna apply some mousse and yeah, maybe some curl defining thing, but yeah, mostly mousse and water. Maybe I add a little conditioner, maybe, depending on how I feel. So I'm gonna get it damp and I'll be back.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.
So okay guys, you saw it. I went ahead, got it wet. Very fluffy, very healthy looking. I love this. It looks so juicy and nice. Vacation appropriate, vacation wig alert. Definitely my go-to will always be a curly wig. Staycation, vacation, going outdoors, going to do adventures, curly wig. If water catch it, it's even better for the look. So it's always a plus for me. Shout out to ISEE hair. The hair feels really good. It's really soft, by the way. Don't think I mentioned that. But yeah, the construction, everything is pretty, you know, up to standard. So I'm happy about that. As I said, minimal shedding is there, so be mindful of that. Despite how the lace wasn't tinted, you can definitely get around that even if you choose not to tint it. All the necessary information will be in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. And leave your thoughts down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Also go ahead and subscribe to my vlog channel, Petite-SUE TV. And that's it for today. So thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Take a chance on